So off we go, the second leg of the Champions League semi-final. Do miracles happen? Barcelona prove they can. Can Atletico pull off the comeback of comebacks against the holders? Juventus are awaiting the winners, and Owen Hargreaves is alongside me again tonight. Koke with the corner. It's a free header in there for Fernando Torres. And the bounce in the end was favourable to Real Madrid.
And they're definitely having a go. Atletico, Carrasco just glides by Marcelo. Koke there, it's terrific goalkeeping from Navas, not gambling.
The Calderon, he's never done it, has scored against them in 2 Champions League finals, and it's gone in towards him, and the save
Just him, goes down a bit too easy. Toni Kroos, wonderful delivery. Wonderful header from Casemiro, bit of wrestling in the box. But Oblak with the stunning save. Great intensity, great energy.
Koke's corner again, and there's the dream start for Atletico Madrid, and it's powered in by Saúl Ñíguez. Well, they had to score early, they have scored early, and it's a step along the road to redemption for Atletico Madrid. Now Carrasco. Fernando Torres has gone down, referee says penalty. The referee has pointed, the Atletico players haven't seen it. Has he given it, Owen?
He's given it. What they were saying is they wanted him to play on. Basically there was an empty net, he's taken a shot after the fact. Again, wonderful ball in. Varane gets across. The ball just falls.
Griezmann versus Navas. It's 2-0, and what a start we've had here at the Calderon. 2 goals inside 16 minutes to blow this Champions League semi-final wide open. Swept onto Ronaldo. Isco. Still Isco.
He's a wonderful player. On the overlap. Great little chop to come inside. Just not enough power on it to beat Oblak.
You still feel there's a bit more to come from him. That's really good by Benzema. And then Toni Kroos, brilliant save. Isco on the follow-up. And is that the goal? Is that the key goal for Real Madrid in the semi-final, scored by Isco?
How on earth did Benzema get out of that space? Incredible. Isco just pounces on what's an incredible save from Oblak. But carrying Benzema is an incredible piece of skill against 2 or 3 Atletico players, and they're shocked. Isco was the one to finish it off, but Benzema has no right to get out of this space.
As a Real Madrid player, hits it well, and Oblak beats it away, and then Marcelo on the follow-up. Couldn't catch it much sweeter than that, could he, Ronaldo?
Well, it's a perfect position to shoot. You should love to shoot from that position. Wonderful power.
Got Carrasco and Felipe Luis on the end of that Real Madrid wall as well. It was Griezmann, and it was just too high.
That's terrific pace on it. Gets it over the wall, just doesn't come down enough. Navas has it covered anyway.
And now Danilo. Isco. Marcelo's available. Isco has spotted a gap himself and dragged it wide. Benzema. Ronaldo's gone into the box. Marcelo's got a chance to try and pick him out. Ronaldo!
He's always there in the box, Ronaldo. But again, it's Benzema. Marcelo.
Carrasco, go and chase that one, and he's done it. Here's Carrasco, it's a chance, it's a good save, and another one from Navas to deny.
Danilo has really struggled all game. Inside there, tries to guide into the back post. Gets up so quickly, Navas. Initial good stop, but just a reaction. He's got to score. Taking that cigar from Toni Kroos from the first leg, he's been magnificent.
Marcelo's ball in, Karim Benzema!
He's been brilliant, Benzema. His movement, his hold-up play, it's been exceptional. Marcelo's been terrific.
Nilo. Correa. Well, Gamero makes the run, it's threaded through, and
this is the moment Correa gets in a wonderful position. Gamel's there for the tap-in, just behind him.
it's a captain's tackle, isn't it?
Yeah,
Captain's tackle.